Good Tuesday evening, meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here with your latest weather update. After dealing with some cooler temperatures the past couple of days, we're going to see summer-like air come back in a big way starting tomorrow. Now, we will have to watch for showers and storms to approach the area tomorrow morning. The rain and storms will be weakening, though, as they push through, which is good news. So, a dissipating band of rain tomorrow morning, not going to amount to a whole lot for us, and then we'll see things kind of clearing out. For the afternoon, a little bit of sunshine, warmer temperatures, and then as we go into the end of the week, a few more storm chances to talk about. We'll show you in your 7-day forecast, and then show you the weekend, which does feature several chances for storms. So a little bit of a stormy forecast for the upcoming Memorial Weekend to talk about. So here's that 7-day outlook. I'm going to go at a 60% chance early tomorrow, mainly before 9 a.m. And then as we go through today, we will see some partial sunshine, and then temperatures getting back to the lower 80s by the afternoon, so a good 20 degrees warmer compared to today. And again, looking at the forecast radar tomorrow morning, you notice the showers and storms that initially look pretty impressive. They really start to weaken as they push through. But nevertheless, we will see rain from that tomorrow morning as it pushes through, and then we clear out. Thursday, another round of storm chances comes in. Thursday morning, a few storms will be possible, and then we see maybe an isolated storm in the afternoon, but I think even on Thursday, the emphasis will be in the morning on Thursday. Highs in the lower 80s. Friday, the warmest day, the lowest rain chance, as we'll see temperatures soar to the upper 80s potentially here. And then this weekend, we bring back that storm chance here, Saturday through Memorial Day. Right now, Saturday afternoon through Sunday looks to be the wettest time frame of numerous showers and storms. So unfortunately for the Indy 500, we do have to watch for storms. Now, the exact timing, location cannot be nailed down, but just know there will be storms around from Saturday afternoon through Sunday. And then we'll keep a smaller chance in there for Memorial Day itself, as temperatures do stay in the upper 70s for Memorial Day, so slightly cooler, and then back to the 80s again as we go into next Tuesday. So we'll keep you updated on these storm chances. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.